Hi everybody, it's Therese. I'm here to share my Thanksgiving cards for 2018, and I always make a bunch of them for family, mainly for family, um, around this time of year, and I'm a little late. Hopefully these will get out to family and friends on time, or maybe the day before. So I did a technique that I saw Amy Love do on one of her lives, and I absolutely loved it. The only thing I didn't add the stitching, and I did ink around the edges of each piece of paper except the glitter. But I just absolutely love this idea, and I used a Spellbinders pumpkin die that I've had for, I want to say, at least 5 years. And I used paper from, let me show you this one. I used paper from Target this year because I just love the different style of paper, but it's still fall. I used a word die from AliExpress. I used my finger bows that I've been making, but I ran out of this Dollar Tree glittered ribbon, so I had to use regular satin ribbon, which it's still kind of cute, but I love this one a bit more. I popped out this word that says thankful. Yeah, so I really love how these turned out. It was very quick and easy, which I loved because I am a little late on my cards, but this die is awesome. If you find this on, Ally or wherever, it cuts perfectly, and I loved how it looks. I layered it with the pattern paper and some craft cardstock, and it just came out perfect every time. It cuts like butter, and it's awesome. So I just want to say, if I don't see everybody before Thanksgiving, oh, I probably will see everybody before Thanksgiving. Happy Thanksgiving. But we're going to be going live on Monday, so I probably will see you guys then. So I just want to thank everybody for stopping by today, and have a great Friday and a great weekend, okay? Thanks, guys. Bye.